Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Among Us. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. We just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. You come to apps this here, indeed you're looking for Among Us. So you just click on it here, or you just click on search. Then here add Among Us. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage this here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store here. So then you search here for Among Us. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.